How to change Roblox name tag color. So if you want to change your Roblox name tag color, then first you need to open up a browser, or you can also open your Roblox application and you can log into your Roblox. So for now I'll be choosing my browser. Go for the search for Roblox, and make sure to log into your Roblox account. So if you choose your laptop or computer, then it's just easier. So enter your information, log into your account, and once you're here, simply go for the upper right and click on settings. And under your settings, you can simply go for settings again. So here, if you scroll down, you will get a couple of options. You need to simply go for help. And if you scroll down here, you will have contact us. Go for contact us, and then again scroll. And you need to go for a technical issue problems, or you need to simply go for the technical issue, and you need to select the device that you're using right now. So I'll be choosing this Chromebook, and you can scroll down until where it says need more help, and here you need to go for need more help, contact support here. Click on that option, and here you will have contact us. Right, it will take you to this page. So enter your information correctly, enter your username, your first name, last name, and then email address, and again confirm your email address, and then you need to select the issue that you are facing. So choose Chromebook if you are using Chrome, or your Mac PC or something. So choose your device, and then you need to select the category, like you need to select bug report. And once you've selected, now you need to describe. Under the description of the issue, it's the most important thing. Like here you need to write exactly like I want to change my tag color, or rather my name tag color on my Roblox account. I want to change, for example, I want to change it to green color instead of whatever color which is right now. So I need your help to change it. You need to write that, and then once you write that, you need to simply tap on continue and send that feedback to Roblox. And once you've sent, within 24 hours or within 1 or 2 days, you will get some help, or you will get an email from Roblox to fix your issue. So that's how you can change your Roblox name tag color. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.